All right, so let me get y'all through this. Okay, so now we've looked at what you want to do, more ideas and opportunities have been popping up. And let's talk about like your unique story and message too. So, in your workbooks, you're gonna find this on page 5. All right, so we're looking at what drives us, some of your experiences. You guys can put that for me in the chat, and while you do that, I am gonna answer this question here. For Shay was approached about a job in a facility where you didn't want to take the position, but you want to figure out how to pitch to be a consultant to do the workshops that they need around goals and things like that, right? You're thinking, right? So I think that it's okay to come back and pitch that to them. And I would say, I do want to still come in and maybe do some workshops for you. And I would just put that together, even if it's a brief email first. We tend to overthink and overcreate, but just send them the idea first, right? And even better if you can have a conversation with them. I always say we do better and close better when we can have a conversation with people, because just like our personalities and everything, that can't be conveyed in an email, but it always does better when we can speak to somebody in person and point out what you would like to do. So pitch the workshops, exactly what you want to do, empowerment, goal setting, right? Let them know it could be a series of like interactive workshops, and this is what you want to do. This is what you think the girls need. But the key is why. So you want to highlight the benefits, right? And it could just be bullet points as to what you want to do, not all of it. And the bullet points as to why. So like think of the challenges in residential facilities, right? Worked in that capacity in a way, and I know some of that. So I just want you to think about that specifically and how this would help, how it would help them to develop their skills and what it means for their life beyond the program, what it means for their return rates. Some of the issues are the clientele, they continue to come back, right? How would your skill set help that? And then you could picture like, instead of you paying me a whole salary, you would just be paying me for this. So it may also be more cost effective for them. You can pitch like, I can develop a whole curriculum where I can maybe train your staff, right? And then coach them in how to consistently implement it. So now instead of me coming to do it all the time, your staff will now be trained in it. And I can come up with the curriculum and the model and to support them, right? So that they are better able to work with the client. So I can really lend the same experience that you wanted to hire me for, but in a way that really serves like who you have already. And they may not be able to do it. And if they can't, it doesn't matter, because now you have something that you could go pitch to other places. Look for other residential programs. Look for other programs that cater to the same population. And then just start sending it out. Hey, my name is I do workshops on and consult on, and I know that you guys, and I'm wondering if, and just kind of start to send that out and see what people want to do. God laid it on your heart for a reason. Right. So today is just an exercise in like creative freedom. Like, what is it like to think outside the box? You guys are filled with experiences and learning, and it's time to pour that into others. And I think hopefully you're starting to see, like, I just need to think about this a little bit differently. Right. So kind of just lean into it.